Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely tissue paper dispenser which would look very pretty in your home. So firstly, I'm going to take an empty cardboard box and with the scale, I'm going to trace all around the scale and my scale is 15 centimeters. This is to make an opening to dispense our tissues. Next, we're going to cut on the traced rectangle. So here's an opening for our tissues to dispense from it. Next, I'm going to take pink colored papers and I'm going to wrap the box all around with these papers. So I'll apply some glue and wrap the box with these colored papers. Before wrapping the box completely, insert the tissue papers and then close the box completely. Next, to make our box look lovely, we are going to use self-adhesive glitter foam sheets and we are going to stick it all around the opening of our tissues. Now I'm going to take purple satin ribbon and I'm going to stick it all around the sides of the box. Now I'm going to add some stone stickers on the corners and sides of the box. I'll also be adding these stickers near the edges of the box. So here's our pretty tissue box ready from empty cardboard. If you want to learn to make more such crafts, you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.